we are in Campo Real, which is located to the east of the community of Madrid. It is a region of recognized gastronomy. The current name of the town dates back to the 16th century during the reign of the Philip II of Spain. But where can we visit in Campo Real? Please follow me. Its church, Santa María del Castillo, was originally a 12th century Templar convent. It has recently been restored, and we can enjoy climbing these stairways surrounded by the 12 apostles. At the top, we can enjoy the views of the landscape. The rest of the architectural jewels of this town are also religious buildings. For example, La Ermita del Santísimo Cristo de la Peña next to the main square. We can also visit the Pottery Museum that contains authentic rural tools by grow crops and for caster breeding. It is incredible to know that the oldest remains found in this place dates back from the Neolithic. What else can Campo Real offer? The cuisine of the town is worthy a review. Here, the olives is the true protagonist. The town offers all the different variety of this product. First, the dressing enhances the quality of the olive. Apart from olive, the sieved cheese and the extra virgin olive oil we produce is extraordinary. Campo Real festivities are very lively and we can't miss them. In September, there are festivals with all kinds of activities and fireworks to top a whole week of celebrations. In addition, we also organize a carnival parade, the Easter holiday, religious processions, a living nativity scene at Christmas, and a restaurant crawl around the area tasting different dishes. A charming town with an extraordinary rural essence and with a very Castilian cuisine. We wait for you. The town offers all the different variety of the... No lo pares. ¿Lo has parado? Vale. Castilian cuisine. Bueno, tú lo dices.
Está grabando.
Ah, vale. Los dedos están como un poco dentro de la cámara, ¿no? Vale.
Y este.
Ah.